Today, bros, we have a few exciting things to get done today, but first things first, we have to clean up the garage. The garage is an absolute mess right now. We're not gonna be working on the BRZ, so this is coming out, and then we can pull the WRX in. Alright, so today we have some exciting things going on with the WRX. It's finally back. Mods are finally coming back on it. And I'll just let Jay explain what he's doing. What are we doing to the car today, bro? How are you ruining the car today?
It's broken again.
It's broken again?
Look at that fucking meat.
Oh, dude, we didn't even show them the wheels.
Yeah.
Dude, alright, you want to show them the wheels real quick?
Yeah.
Dude, these were...
In the sunlight, though.
Alright, yeah, let's go to the sunlight. Jay literally got these wheels like 2 days ago. It was a last minute decision, and these things look insane.
These right here are the Congress Ford Jeffersons, you know?
They're the Congress Ford Jeffersons?
Yeah,
they're literally called Jeffersons?
Yeah,
wait, let's see it in the sunlight, dude.
It's literally from like the president's lineup.
Damn! These things glisten in the sun, dude.
Hell yeah.
Holy shit!
So, you know, we got some ESRs.
Dude, the racer himself finally copped some real wheels. Dude, you finally have real wheels, and they're gold again. But yeah, they're dude, 3-piece wheels. Finally, Jay's 3-piece gang, dude. But dude, these are nice, man. What's the specs on these?
18 by 10.
Yeah.
Offsets 5. 18 by 10 and a half. Offsets 10.
So it's wider in the rear, more meat.
Yeah. More
dude, these things are nice. So. Dude, these wheels were definitely a good find. Honestly, I think they're super hot boy, and I think they're exactly what you're going for. And I think it was a huge move.
Exactly. I mean, I know like the face is a little weird and everything. Like,
I mean, to be honest, I think it looks really good with the car. Today, Jay is finally going to be joining Big Wang Gang. You guys already saw this wing before. We were gonna install it, but we ran into some issues, so we didn't install it. And today we're finally gonna install it.
I did some research and I found a couple of different things to make it like a lot easier to install.
Yeah.
So then once I saw those videos and stuff, I felt more confident and I was like, fuck, let's just get it done.
Dude, and did you read the comments on the last video?
No.
People were saying don't put on the wing.
Really?
People were legitimately saying don't put on the wing because it looks ridiculous, but dude, send it. I say like if you love the wing, man, if you really like it, I mean, I know it's obnoxious, it's literally like huge. Bro, this might actually be bigger than the wing that was on the BRZ.
With all the camera and everything, you're gonna
dude, no. Hot boy is the way to go, man. You're gonna be super hot boy, but it's gonna look, oh, cool.
Oh.
You're gonna look super hot boy, but it's gonna look good. Yeah. But people are gonna hate it, man. You're ruining your car in people's eyes. I've been telling Jay to get a big wing for like the longest time. He had the STI Ricer wing, which I wasn't the biggest fan of, but I didn't mind it. You don't put an STI wing on a non-STI. It doesn't make sense.
Why do you have an STI lid for a BRZ?
All right, you got me there. You got me there, man. All right, but we're putting a Battle Arrow wing on the WRX today. Should be pretty fun after we install the wing on the WRX. My friend with the Miata is gonna come over, and we're gonna do the infamous Sleepy Eye mod with some LED bars. It's gonna look sick. Today's full of exciting things to do today. So let's get started on the WRX trunk.
Oh yeah.
Dude, oh shit.
I think it goes like that. Right?
Dude, I love it. It goes a little bit more up on the windshield, closer. Yeah, perfect. Dude, let's do it. Roof spoiler, dude. Let's do it. All that. Perfect. Yeah, all the STI hatch guys do it. Dude, I fucking love this thing, man.
Yeah, you're working all right.
Yo, for real. You gave him the dirty work. Yo, you gave him the dirty work. He has to sand that thing down now. Just measure to make sure that they are perfectly symmetrical. Now we're filling in the holes to figure out exactly where we need to drill it out. Measure twice, drill once.
Yes, sir.
Man, come on.
I don't want to like damage it, you know.
I mean, dude, what do you mean damage it? You're making a hole in your trunk. All right, fine. You don't get more damage. You only get one shot.
That was easy. Just hitting something there.
Yeah, the metal on the bottom. That was the problem the first time. That didn't sound good, Joe. That did not sound good.
There we go.
Oh, you made the hole though. Check it out now.
Broke.
Inside, yeah.
Yeah, it broke.
Oh. Dude, no way. Wait, the drill bit broke. Yeah. What? That's a clean cut, man.
Yeah.
The first cut was clean, and then the second cut was just all sorts of messed up.
Again.
Snapped again.
You broke it again? All right, well, now that's 2 drill bits you owe me.
Fucking shit,
You
man.
broke another one? Dude! Nice, dude.
God, yo.
5th drill bit. So we made the first hole and we made the 3rd hole. What we can't do is the 2nd hole. This metal is extremely strong, so there's no way that we're gonna be able to cut this out. I'm gonna be using a self-tapping screw that was supposed to be used for wide bodies, but we're gonna be using it for this. Now we gotta replicate exactly what we did on this side, on that side, and then time to put the wing in. It's a rare sighting when Jay's actually working on his own car.
Yeah. Are you guys gonna ever help me?
I got you, what do you need?
But you stop shoving the camera in my face.
Yeah, you're fogging up the lens. Got some self-bonding super. What's so super about this, dude? What's super about this?
To be honest, this shit really doesn't have any like stickiness on it.
Really? Wait, let me feel it.
But I mean, to be honest though,
Dude, it does not stick whatsoever.
yeah. But to be honest though, I don't really care that it sticks or not, because like, you know, once we drill it on,
Yeah.
that's just.
I mean, the main thing is to keep water out,
I
right?
only want to cover this, you know?
Okay, yeah, I mean, if it works, it works. There's nothing super about that tape, bro. That thing is not
I mean,
sticking
it sticks to its fucking
Dude,
self.
dude, for real.
It sticks to itself. Look at that.
Oh, look at that, dude. Jay finally learned how to put on some tape.
Facts.
Dude, see
I
what?
gotta make some holes.
See the possibilities when you start working on your own car?
I mean,
Oh,
does this-
dude, wait, we never showed everybody your trunk setup. Oh, dude, so much stuff happens to your car. We never get to show anyone.
disco. I'll mind the tank. We're gonna powder coat that. And this whole trunk is gonna be Alcantara black.
Isn't it already Alcantara?
No, but I'm saying like everything though.
Oh, okay. Dude, that's gonna look fresh.
Well, shaving's hurt like a bitch.
Dude, low-key, I kind of want to do a trunk setup now. Like, seeing those 2 air compressors down
I mean,
there?
no, you can't, bro.
Dude, that looks fire.
It's black anyway.
That looks fire.
It's like synced into my head, so like.
Yeah,
on.
so you just think of a color. All right, so say it.
See, on.
Yeah, I think you gotta bring the remote a little closer, bud. You
On.
just there you Oh!
Red.
Oh, shit. Yo!
It works, bro.
All right, let's do blue.
Blue.
Oh, shit,
Oh,
dude.
wow, yo.
Dude. That's just way too sketchy, so we're gonna try running this washer. The problem with the big washers is that it just absolutely doesn't fit. It's in such a bad position. It's exactly where it curves in, so it's a little harder. Oh, I feel it getting tighter. The moment we've literally all been waiting for all day. Dude, this thing took way longer than it should have. Like, This thing took forever. 4 hours. We finally got it done. It should not have taken this long. We ran into way too many issues. All right, guys, so here is the wing completely done. Dude, this thing is so obnoxious and so loud, it's ridiculous. I know a lot of you did leave a comment and told Jay not to put this wing on. At the end of the day, it's his car, it's his choice. If he wants to turn it into a huge racer, that's all on him. But no, honestly, I like the wing. I'm a huge fan of big wings. Now with it actually mounted, what do you guys think about the wing? Do you guys like it? Do you guys not like it? I mean, this is a bold move, man. First clean of the wing.
It's just so like fucking high that I gotta be on my tippy toes. Yeah?
Dude, let's look at it from the outside, dude. That is a big move.
People say be madly in love, in love.
I like it. I think it matches the arrow and everything. And dude, it matches the aggressiveness of the wheels big time. What do you guys think? I mean, I'm still iffy on it, but I'm leaning more towards I like it. What do you guys think? Leave it down in the comments. I want to know your opinions. This thing looks pretty good. Super hot boy, but pretty good. The diffusers are a good touch to the wing. It matches. There's a lot of air going on in the back, and I really like it. Ant's pulling the little yachter back into the garage. We're gonna do some fun things with it. Whoa, yo, stop. Yo, come look at it from here. Yo, dude, that thing is sick. Like, holy,
I thought it was like falling off or something.
bro,
What the fuck?
holy shit.
Whoa,
Yo,
that thing is big.
oh my God, dude.
It's a whole new car.
Dude, huge congrats, man. Just good on you, man. Good on you. Just everything. I know I literally just said I'm a little iffy on the wing, but I'm sold on it. I love it. I'm sold. Second project of today, we're gonna be dealing with Ant's Miata, which I really don't want to do, but No, I'm totally kidding, dude. I'm totally kidding. Totally kidding. We got Jay's wing done. Today's gonna be a productive day, man. Today is gonna be a productive day. Ain't got a Miata, and if you get a Miata, you pretty much just have to do this. Dude, shout out to Oxbeam. They make some pretty good products. I have an Oxbeam light bar on my car. It's awesome. So, oh yeah, and Jay's car. We have an Oxbeam light bar for there too. We already know they make some pretty good products. So today we're gonna be doing the Sleepy Eyes. Dude, what the hell? Yo, why do you have tape on your headlight, dude?
Alright, so
What happened? You just got the car.
I was driving and there was a crack in the headlight already, and I hit a pothole so hard that the whole glass spiderweb cracked.
You're lying, dude.
And the whole thing fell out.
So where's the glass?
In your garbage.
Really?
Yeah, throw it out.
Shit. All right, well, today we're gonna be getting rid of this whole bunk setup, and we're gonna be replacing it with this LED bar. We're gonna be doing the Sleepy Eye mod, and dude, this thing's gonna look sick. It should be pretty easy. I mean, it should be like a 20-minute install, dude.
Yeah, hopefully. We're at Econ's garage.
Yeah, but yeah, we're here, so it might take like another 4 hours.
We'll see you tomorrow morning.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Alright, so basically we're gonna take
Have you never been on YouTube, bro? Like,
You gotta explain what you're doing to the people. I don't know what you're doing. How are they gonna know what you're doing?
basically, we're gonna remove the housing and the headlight, and we're basically just gonna prop it in, wire it up, and then back here on these little knobs is where you could set the level of how high you want the
So
light
do you
to
want
go.
me to touch your knob, or do you want Jay to touch your knob?
He's getting a little crazy.
So you disconnect this wire right on the side, so it cuts out the electricity, and then you can literally just level it to, dude, that's so easy. That is literally, when you said it was easy, I didn't think it was gonna be that easy.
It's gonna be easy.
What we might just be able to do is take this stock harness for these stock lights and take this negative and positive and connect it right to the light bar. So that way, when we turn the lights on from the inside, these lights just automatically turn on. Look at it, finally working on his own car. I'm gonna have to do some cutting because the light's gonna fit like this, and there's just, it's not enough room. This light just can't fit into the space that there was for the bulb. So it looks like we're just gonna have to cut just a little bit, like right over here, cut that into a square, and then this should work. I don't know how to wire. You guys know I don't know how to wire, but I'm gonna try it, and Ant's giving me full permission. Right, Ant?
Full send.
Oh, already cut them. What we're gonna do is match the negative up with the negative, match the positive up with the positive right here.
And God said, let there be light.
Yeah! I'm so souped. All wired up with the crimps. Let's see if the light turns on. Turn it on. Oh! Oh my god, that is so bright, dude. Oh my god.
So bad when we're driving.
Dude, oh, that is so bright.
I'm turning my lights on.
Ant's giving it the final touch, just leveling this thing down. So the Sleepy Eyes, dude, the Sleepy Eyes are pretty much complete now. Oh, Sleepy Eyes are pretty much complete, dude. This wasn't hard at all, but it took like two and a half hours because I have such fat fingers. It was so hard to squeeze it in like little spaces, but it paid off. It probably doesn't seem like I'm super excited, but trust me, I'm really excited. I'm just really tired too. I swear I'm falling in love with this Miata more and more every time I see it. This car makes me want to get a Miata so bad. I never had the Miata experience until this car. Old bunky light, new LED bar light. Dude, huge upgrade today. There's no lights on in the garage right now. That is insane. So that's what it looks like with the lights off. Now turn them on. Dude, that, oh my god. And there's no high beams. That's just how it is 24/7. Huge project made on both the cars. We got the wing installed on the WRX, and we got the Sleepy Eye mod done on the Miata. I was a little iffy on the wing at first, but after looking at it, I think that I like it. I like the loudness, and I like how obnoxious it is. Some of you may not like that. That's cool. I mean, it's all personal taste. Also, the Sleepy Eyes, which is one of my favorite mods to do on like pop-up headlights. I've never done it before, but I've always seen it, and it looks so cool. But I'm really happy with what we got done today. Now that car season's coming up, we're all just modding out our cars and getting it ready for car season. That being said, you guys already know the BRZ will be back. It's just going through a long process right now, and I don't want to milk out videos of that process. It's gonna be boring, so I just want to wrap up that whole process to be one video rather than the same exact thing for like 2 weeks straight. You guys won't like that. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in today. I will catch you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace out.